So how do you feel about the baking vlog we're starting?
No!
What did you say?
Just shut up! Make less noise!
Why? I didn't understand why. Time to get baking, time to get baking.
Your nonsense, Quentin! Please! Jesus Christ! I was trying to listen to the nonsense!
So what are we baking?
Mountain bison.
On tape, my dick is dying of malnourishment. What do you think, Mum?
I think we should buy some more yogurt. Coming out, and then it ends up being like this, which is very.
You're a fucking idiot.
Wow.
Don't forget the list. Don't forget the shopping. Oh, she's not forgetting it. You hear those retarded children in the nearby garden?
Oh, it's a real noise for you.
Oh, great joke, Gabrielle.
He's retarded. Tiny.
So where are we going, guys?
Oh, we got no petrol. No wonder we do.
So boys, where are we going? What are we doing?
We're going to Morrison's. Well, who knows? Carrie, right. Can somebody give me ideas of things to buy?
Some nunchucks. A
Alright,
dildo.
can you give me sensible ideas of things you want
Sex
to
doll.
eat?
Sex
Things you want
doll.
to eat.
What is it with dildos, Mum? What is up with that? What is this place?
I did pay you with £4, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Stop with that.
What feels good? This feels good. Right, so what are we buying, guys?
I think it's in the black bag. We're not going with her.
Damn right. She's going to the grave.